Hi, today we are going to look at Easy IEP. So the way I get there is go to Clever and go to Ed Plan, and it should pull up. Okay, now in Ed Plan you have your main toolbar here at the top. That is your go-to. But I also wanted to show you something very important. Down here at the bottom, they do have, if you click on RTI, they have instructions, step sheets for a lot of different things. If you need to learn how to do anything, there's a manual for everything. But most of the time, you will only need a few things that I'm going to hopefully show you today. So your main tab that you're going to go to is RTI Explorer. Then, as you can see, I've already looked up Miss Darnell's groups right here for you. Now, under Miss Darnell's groups, they have already been grouped according to what they need. So there's your second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, in your KKN1. Now, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to show you how to update a plan, but I am not going to update it because I'm going to let, wait another week before we do that. So all I did was come over here, hovered over the name, this pop-up menu comes up, I hit RTI. Now, this is Riley Beck's RTI plan. As you can tell, she has a literacy plan and a math plan. So when you toggle, that's how it changes. When they have both, you must continue both or update both plans at the same time. So the first way I like to do it is start at the top and go all the way down to make sure that you have done everything, all the parts. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do a continuation. So today's November 10th. Now, I should have pointed that out. Let me show you. Okay, so here are the things that can happen to Riley's plan. This is initial plan, continue, modify. If you do anything different than to her plan, that's where your option is. More than likely, you will always continue your plans unless something drastic happens with the data. So let's go ahead. We're going to go ahead and click November 10th. That's today. And then, well, is the students good? Was the progress good? You could say good. The plan is being implemented. Yes, there's enough. Or you could put questionable. Then this must match what you did on the first page. So if you continued, and then based on the data collected during progress monitoring. Okay, and then because we're going to keep all the plans under Darnell, we're going to keep Miss Darnell, we're going to put Rebecca Darnell, classroom teacher, and then save and continue. Now, we're not going to do a tier change, but if you have to, this is where you would do it. You could change her to tier 2 in the justification, but hopefully, if we come to that point, I'll help you do that. So there's nothing we have to do here, nothing changed. This is just fluency. And then we're going to come over here. Now here's the big part. If you don't hit this button, it will not update. So update plan, and then of course something did not let me. Okay. So again, I'm glad you caught that, because in order to update the plan, you have to do both of them at the same time, obviously. And then update plan. Okay, so learn something new. You must update both plans and then hit the final update plan. It's going to come to here, and this is your big, this is when you know, yes, it has been done. So right here is what you will hit for your final step to update the plan. Save up ed plan changes. Now once you hit save, you're done. And the way you can come in, now I'm not going to hit it because I don't want to mess up Becky for this month. But the way you check to make sure it's done is if it is updated, the date will be on this slot right here. So it will show, you can see 9/13, 9/30, 10/30. So double check yourself every time to make sure it updated. Now the best part about these ad hoc groups is you can just toggle back and forth, here to make sure you have everything you need. So that's how to update a plan, and hopefully this will help you. And if you need any additional help, I'll be glad to do it on a Teams call with you. Thank you.